Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of cause and effect. So let's review what those are before we get into some practice. The cause is the why something happened, and our effect is what happens because of the cause. Now remember, they're not always first or second. Sometimes cause is first, sometimes it's second, sometimes effect is first, sometimes effect is second. So it's really about understanding in the sentence which is the what and which one's the why. So let's do a couple practice ones and see how we do. So it's good to have a piece of paper or anything available to write down your answers so you don't forget. I'll give you guys a second. If you want to pause me, go ahead and we can get started. Otherwise, let's go ahead. So what is underlined? So what is going to happen is we're going to get a sentence and there's going to be a piece that's going to be underlined and then it's going to have cause and effect. You tell me if it's a cause or if it's effect. Jack ate too many marshmallows and got a bad tummy ache. Is that a cause or is that effect? So all you have to write is A or B on your paper. Don't go ahead and write out cause and effect. I'll give you guys about 30 seconds for that. Okay. And the correct answer is, once my thing wants to work, is cause. That is the why. Jack ate too many marshmallows, and the what is he got a bad tummy ache from it. I went to sleep because it was very late. Is this a cause or is this an effect? I'll give you 10 seconds. This one is the effect. The why was it was very late. The what is I went to sleep. So remember, cause is the why, effect is the what. Next one. Amy heard a funny noise and found a frog hiding in the grass. Is this the cause or is this the effect? This is the effect. The what that happened. The why was she heard a funny noise, and the what is she found a frog hiding in the grass. Tim was cold and thirsty, so he made some hot chocolate. Which one is this one? The correct answer is the effect. The why is he was cold and thirsty, so he made some hot chocolate. That's the what he did. I followed the strange footprints and saw a bear. Is this a cause or an effect? And the correct answer is it's the cause. That's the why. Because I followed the strange footprints, I saw a bear. Aww. Tammy started crying because she missed her mother. Is this a cause or an effect? Remember, we really want to look for those clue words. If we know that because is here, because, that means before it is the effect. Mr. K was really good about that little clue. That because has the word cause in it. That helps you remember that that's the why. It was extremely cold, so Liam moved a bit closer to the fire. Is this the cause or is this an effect? And the answer is it's the cause. It's the why. It was extremely cold out. That's why he moved closer to the fire. It was almost time to go home, so Jack decided to go for one last walk next to the lake. Is this the cause or is this the effect? And the answer is it's the effect. The why is it was almost time to go home, so that's what he did. He decided to go for one last walk. Okay, we're going to skip this one. Okay. We're going to do something similar this time. I want you to write it on your paper, and then at the end, we're going to check all the answers. So this one, I'm actually going to give you probably about 3 minutes to complete completely on your own before we go through it. So you have these sentences. What I want you to do is label your paper 1 through 7. And I want you to tell me if it is a cause that's underlined or if it's an effect underlined. If you want, you can write a C next to it or an E that tells cause and effect too. Like I said, I'm going to give you 3 minutes to complete this. So good luck. You have about 1 minute left. Okay, let's go through them. Number 1, I saw a bear and ran away. So that is the cause, the why. The what was that I ran away is the what happened. So the why is actually I saw a bear. So first, number 1 is cause. Number 2, Peter was hungry, so he roasted more marshmallows. Number 2 is effect. That is the what happened. So he roasted more marshmallows because he was hungry. Number 3, the boys were hot, so they went for a swim in the lake. Number 3 is effect. It's the what happened. The boys went for a swim in the lake because they were hot. Number 4, James missed his mother and wanted to go home. Number 4 is the cause. The what he wanted to what happened is he wanted to go home. That one kind of nice because it actually had the word want in it to help you. But number 4 is the cause. Number 5, the girls ran to the tent because it started to rain. The because gives you a clue that that second part is the cause, which means number 5 is effect. The girls ran to the tent. That's the what happened. Number 6, it was getting dark, so Ben lit the lantern. The correct answer is cause. That is the why. It was getting dark, and what happened was Ben lit the lantern. And number 7, the boys heard a loud noise and found a raccoon in their tent. Number 7 is cause. The why is they heard the loud noise, and then what happened, they found a raccoon in their tent. So for those that want to check your work again, here are all of the correct answers. So nice job if you got it. Again, it's okay. This is probably the hardest task to understand because using those clue words, they are oftentimes mixed up, and it's totally understandable. So it's something that you just have to keep practicing. Even me, who has gone through college and all that, I still struggle with it too. So that's it for cause and effect. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Make sure you complete your exit ticket for cause and effect day 2. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.